And the dad, I will tell Vicky in the chest, busy with the heart. And the daddy sat on the car, and the day high fall.
Careful. Oh. I guess what I'm trying to say here, guys, is it's not always about the name of the business or the brand. Sometimes it's about the person who's doing it for you. Good morning! Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday, everyone! Ayan, nakabihis na naman ang ating family. Hi, Nak! Good morning! Paris! Show your toilet? Where's your phone? There! I am super duper excited today kasi after 7 months, mapapagawa na natin yung ating kuko. Have a look at my nails, guys! 7 months na wala to siyang manicure, walang polish, pati yung sa paa ko, guys. And I'm very happy kasi nakapag-book ako today. And yeah, so we're going to South Melbourne. We're gonna get my nails done. I'm super excited. And Daddy Mike and Paris will just walk around South Melbourne, no? Because all the shops are open now, guys. Kaya pwede na kami makaalis. And I'll just quickly show you my outfit, guys. Kasi sobrang colorful ni ate nyo ngayon. Hindi siya sunny sa labas. It's very dark pala, guys. But you know what? I'm feeling happy inside. Kaya ito yung sinuot ko. It shows how I feel today. So ito yung ating top. Ayan. Super colorful. This is from Gorman pala, guys. And then my high-waisted shorts from Levi's. I've got my sandals. Ayan. And then my cute bag. So, yan yung ating pa-outfit. And si Paris din, oh. Ayan. Pasensya na medyo makalat, guys. Maglilinis kami mamaya pag-uwi namin. Pero kahit ganito yung outfit natin, guys, magdadala tayo ng jacket. Kasi, tingnan niyo sa labas, oh. Oh. Kita. Hindi siya kita, guys. Pero, maginaw siya, guys. Kaya, magdadala tayo ng camel color coat. Ayan, para bagay sa ating outfit for today. And then, we have to go now because we'll be late. Pero ang ating doktor ay ayaw pang umalis. Anak. What can you hear, Nak?
Phone.
What's this one?
Stethoscope.
Stethoscope. Stethoscope. I'm a doctor. I have a stethoscope. Thumping, thumping in the chest, there's a beating heart. Hello? Can you sing that? I'm a doctor?
And the dad, I will tell Vicky in the chest, busy with the heart.
Ano, anak? Bring the iPad na, anak. Let's go.
And the dad, I will tell Vicky, welcome my eye.
We have to go na, anak. Malit na si mama, anak. Masuko sa tita. Wala. Ito ang ating, ano guys, before. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung after mamaya. Hindi siya mag-focus. Nahihiya siya, guys. Ayaw niya mag-focus. Ayan. Oh, diba? So, yung ipapagawa ko pala, guys, is SNS. Yun talaga yung pinapagawa ko sa kamay ko. And then, sa paa ko is, anong tawag doon? Shellac. Shellac. Para medyo matagal siya mabura ba. Alin na, anak. Ito yung jacket na dadalhin ko for Paris kasi pupunta sila ng lake. Remember nyo yung Albert Park Lake kung saan kami ng mga ducks. Namahog ng mga ducks. Yes. Doon pupunta si Baby Paris at Daddy Mike, guys. Come on na, anak. Okay, sing. Humpty Dumpty.
And the daddy sat on the car, and the day high fall.
Careful.
Oh. Oh!
Oh gosh!
Show Daddy your teeth. Are they white? Show Daddy.
Yee. Good girl.
They're all clean.
You cleaned it last night, didn't you?
Saw your teeth.
We're here. Just in time, guys. 11 o'clock. Sobrang madilim. Oy! baby girl. Ayaw niyang magpasapatos. Very dark. So, ayan guys. This is South Melbourne. Ayan yung city. Diyan guys. Oh, super malapit lang. See the buildings. It's so good to see na open na yung mga shops guys. Parang nabigyan ng buhay ba. That's where I'm going guys. York Nails and Beauty. Oh my god.
Like most people, I don't like even look near her.
There you go. Come. You wanna come here, honey? Say hi. Hi guys! So ayan, tapos na ang ating mahiwagang kuko. Ayan, so I chose purple guys because I don't know, I haven't done purple before. And ayan, sobrang ganda kasi hindi talaga yung deep na purple. Lavender lang yung kulay niya. Anyways, hindi pa pala ako nakapagbayad guys kasi yung FPOS nila is not available. So kailangan ko magbayad ng cash. Ngayon, wala akong cash na dala and also hindi ko dala ang aking card. Kasi 'di ba pag nagbabayad ako, connected lang sa phone lahat, tinatap-tap ko lang yung aking phone. So kailangan kong maghanap ng bangko ko which is Commonwealth Bank para anong tawag dito? Meron kasi silang cardless cash. So from my app sa phone tapos i-process ko lang tapos pick upin ko na yung pera sa sa ATM. So yun yung ginawa ko guys and now nandito ako sa labas ng bangko. Pero babalik na ako ngayon doon sa tawag dito doon sa nail salon para makapagbayad and then hahanapin ko na si Daddy Mike tsaka si Paris. I don't know where they went. I think pumunta sila ng Albert Park. But I'll see guys. Tawagan ko sila ngayon. Maglalagay na ako ng ganito kasi marami ng mga tao. Anito pala sa aking paa guys, oh. Yung parang pink na kulay, ang liit-liit ng aking mga kuko. Sobrang cute. Si Baby Paris tsaka si Daddy pala guys, nandun na sila sa nail salon. Sabi ko just wait there kasi kumuha pa ako ng pera. So hi guys, it's now 2 o'clock ng hapon and kakapark lang namin dito sa labas ng bahay. Hindi pa kami makapasok-pasok kasi ang ating baby girl ay, kung makikita nyo sa likod, she is having her nap. So si Daddy Mike lang yung lumabas guys. Sabi niya maglilinis-linis daw muna siya sa bahay. Alam nyo guys, it's only 2 o'clock pero sobrang dilim na niya. It's been like this all day today. Like seriously, right? Bakit ganito? Pag weekdays, kapag nagtatrabaho, sobrang ganda ng araw pero hindi ka nakakalabas kasi kailangan mong mag-work. Ngayon naman na weekend na hindi ka naman makakalabas kasi umuulan at maginaw. Anyways, not complaining here guys. I-share ko pala sa inyo yung ating experience doon sa ating nail salon guys. So yung nail salon na pinuntahan namin doon sa South Melbourne, yun talaga yung pinupuntahan ko since buntis pa ako kay Paris. Doon talaga ako pumupunta. So kahit na medyo malayo na siya dito sa amin ngayon, it's around 20 or 25 minutes drive. Dinadrive ko pa rin siya guys kasi very loyal sa atin yung kapag gusto ko yung place guys, bumabalik talaga ako doon. But then, it's a different story this time. Kasi, it's not that I'm not happy about my nails right now. I really love the color. Tingnan nyo ang kulay niya. Sobrang ganda. Yeah, but I think it is about the craftsmanship. Is that even a word? Yung gumawa kasi ng kuko ko guys, hindi yung normally na gumagawa nung kuko ko before nung pumupunta ako doon. So that was the first time I've seen that lady and she's still very young. Maybe she's new and trainee pa lang siya guys. So siya yung gumawa ng kuko ko. And yeah, firstly yung ginawa niya yung paa ko. And then, alam niyo yung hindi niya ako tinanong guys kung gusto ko bang ikat yung nails ko or gusto ko bang short or long, ganyan. Yung ginawa niya guys, kasi si ate niyo nag-relax lang pa, ganyan lang. So, I just let her do it. And then, nung pagtingin ko guys, sobrang kinat niya talaga na sobrang very, very short. And yung mga kuko ko sa paa guys, sobrang liit nila. Sobrang liliit talaga. Kaya ngayon, nagmumukha siyang nips. Alam niyo yung nips guys? Kung hindi nyo alam yung nips kasi sobrang old na nun. 90s yun. Smarties. Alam niyo yung maliit na chocolate ba? M&M's, ganyan. My toenails looks like that right now. Sobrang gusto ko rin yung kulay guys sa paa ko. Pero sobrang liit na nila guys. Sobrang liit talaga. And yeah, I'm not really a fan of it. Anyways, sa kuko ko naman guys sa aking kamay, I told her na gusto ko yung what's the word? Almond shape. Yun bang parang may ano dito, ang tawag dito? Hait ba diri sa ibabaw. So this one I really like. Ito talaga yung gusto ko guys. But then, yung pinagawa ko pala is SNS. I noticed na very makapal siya guys kumpara doon sa pinapagawa ko before. And tingnan nyo, hindi nyo siguro makikita guys kapag ganyan lang. Ayan. Very makapal yung paggagawa niya, and also walang consistency yung kanyang shape. Guys, maybe you will say, sobrang ano naman, oy, sobrang arte naman ni Ate Jovey. Oy, hindi talaga ganyan guys. Siguro nasanay lang ako na yung gumagawa sa akin before is hindi ganito yung gawa niya. It's really lovely. I'm always happy every time na umaalis ako ng nail salon nila. But yeah, this time it's just very thick. The anong tawag dito, yung consistency ng shape, walang consistency guys. And yeah, just not very fan of it guys. Maybe I'm just being too picky. Yes, I am. I think I'm being too picky. But you know what? I am just very happy na I was able to go there. I was able to sit on the chair. Makapag-relax ako na someone's doing my nails after 7 months. Yes, 7 long months na walang manicure at walang pedicure guys. So, you know, it's not a big deal. I can live with it, guys. 5 weeks later, ipapagawa na naman natin ito. But yeah, just my feedback, guys. Just my feedback. Ayan. But the color itself, it is beautiful. Ayan. So, kung manonotice niyo, guys, ayan, pointy siya dito. Ito is more round. Hindi mag-focus. Ayan. Anyways, I guess what I'm trying to say here guys is it's not always about the name of the business or the brand. Sometimes it's about the person who's doing it for you. Anyways, nung pagkalabas si Daddy Mike guys, bumalik siya dito sa sasakyan kasi kahit Saturday meron tayong natanggap na mail. Ayan. So this first one is from Specsavers. So ito yung aking clear contact lenses guys. Finally dumating na siya. Ayan. So, hindi na tayo antipara per me ba? And then this one, I'll see what's inside. Oh, I know. This is for baby Paris, guys. Have a look. So cute. This is the jeans that I bought from AliExpress from months ago. Ngayon lang dumating. Oh, cool. Ayan siya, guys. Ah, it's not bad. Ayan. Oh, nice. Anyways, dito lang muna ako sa sasakyan guys hanggang magising ang ating baby girl. And then, I'll speak to you again very soon. It's now 4 ng hapon guys. And, yung gagawin natin ngayon ay magtutupi tayo ng mga damit. Ayan. Kasi dry na sila. And maybe, yung mga nasa clothes horse guys, dry na din. At ang kanyang daddy ay natutulog. Natutulog pero si baby Paris ay... What is it na? Ang daddy niya ay kanyang dinudisturbo.
Daddy, open your eye, Mama.
Open my? What?
Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah. What's wrong with me, doctor? Can you use your stethoscope, please?
Okay.
Nak, I feel sick now. Can you call the doctor, please? can you call the doctor, please? Nak?
Okay, Daddy.
Okay. Ano pala kami, guys? Mamaya, sabi ni Daddy Mike, sa ano daw kami? Bakit ang mata ko parang feel ko sa mall? Mamaya sa dinner, alis daw kami. We will have dinner outside. Alam niyo, guys. Are you coming, doctor?
Yes.
Okay.
I can tell you later.
Okay. Fix me, doctor. Fix me, please. Okay, my name is Jovey.
What's that? What's name that?
Paris? Is that Paris?
No, that's a good question.
Fix na mama na.
Okay.
Mamilo pas mama. Check my heart, please. I'm a doctor. I have a stethoscope.
Biggie, biggie on the chest. Biggie, biggie heart.
Achoosh!
I'm down. Biggie, biggie on the chest. Biggie, biggie heart.
Ay! Anyways, guys, start na natin itong magtupi ng mga damit para matapos natin. And then later on, mga 5, 5:30, ganon. We'll go outside, we'll have dinner. So, yes. Yes, honey?
You.
It's my knee, okay?
I'm going to you now.
Huh?
I'm going to take my knee, too.
Ano na, oh. Disturbo na po niya yung amahan, no? You okay? What's wrong? Are you gonna poo-poo? Go get your nappy, go. You know where your nappy is. Go get. Go get your nappy ba?
Mama, mommy, mega.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Paris strong? Paris is strong? Paris strong?
Take a hat, take a hat, take a hat.
Ayan yung mga lunches ni Daddy Mike, guys. Spinach with tuna. Is this tuna, Daddy? Yeah. Ayan yung mga lunch niya. And on this side, yung spinach with steak. Ayan. Niready niya yung mga lunches niya for the whole week, guys. Ayan. Very healthy. And there's more on this side. And then, the eggs cooking. Hi ulit, guys. It is now... What time is it now, Nak? It's 6:50 na ng gabi. And change outfit tayo, guys. Kasi, magdi-dinner kami sa labas. Ayan. So, the same top yung suot ko. Pero nag-jeans lang ako kasi kung maginaw kaninang umaga, mas maginaw ngayon. Kaya nag-jeans ako, guys. And then, pinarisan ko lang na itong heels na to. Ayan. Ang ating baby girl sa likuran. Ayan. Binihisan ko na rin siya, guys. Pinasuot ko na siya ng dress na yan. Nak, who gave you that dress, Nak? Lola? Lola? Who? Lola Karen. Say thank you, Lola. Ay, shush! Ayan, guys. O kasi, ilang beses lang niya itong nasuot. And medyo maliit na sa kanya, guys. Kaya we're taking the advantage habang kasyang-kasya pa sa kanya. Medyo short na nga siya, guys. O, kita na yung ano niya. Legs niya. Careful, anak.
It's okay.
It's okay ka karon. Gabi og mabungkag na diha. It's okay. Ha? It's okay. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Hinihintay lang namin si Daddy Mike kasi, ayun, nilalagay pa niya sa fridge yung mga niluto niya for his lunches. Are you okay na? Ayan. Pero, meron pang araw sa labas, guys. Oh, ngayon na maggabi na. Ngayon pa lumabas si Haring Araw. Jovey, mommy? Hmm? We're out, everyone. Hala, medyo mahangin siya, guys. Maginaw na talaga siya. Nagdala ko ng jacket. Hindi naman kami maglalakad-lakad, guys. Pupunta kami diretso sa restaurant. Kaya, are you okay? What's wrong? Your foot okay?
Yes, my leg.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. We're here, guys. Dito kami sa baba ng park. Nak, say hi, Nak. Nak? Careful. Careful, Paris.
That is not so to jump, okay?
Yes, Paris, there.
I'm connected.
Have a look in the mirror. Have a look in the mirror. There. There's Paris. Yeah.
I can see that.
Paris. Nico.
Lower ground. Doors
Yeah.
opening.
Come on.
Yeah.
Elevator going up.
I want to go to the shop.
Where's our car?
No.
Wait, it's closed now.
No.
It's closed now.
No.
Come on.
Come on. Closed now.
No.
It is closed.
It's closed, honey.
It's closed now. Tomorrow we'll go to the city.
We're going tomorrow. Come on.
Come on. Hala, gusto niyang bumalik sa shops. The shops are closed, Baba. It's late now.
It's late, honey.
Hello, where's the car? Daddy, where's the car, Daddy? Hala. Come. Come on, Savage, come in. Come on. Yeah. Let's go find the car so the witch won't touch us. The car will be there. Huh?
Police are coming.
Police coming. Hi loves! It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi and kakauwi lang namin guys. I'm super tired. Ating baby girl, oh, meron pang natirang energy. Ayun, anak, that's for the hair, anak.
That's mommy.
For me, kakaron. i-end na natin yung vlog natin, guys, because we are getting ready for bed. Thank you very much for being with us today. I hope na-enjoy niyo yung video natin. Super happy kaming lahat na we're able to do these things again and feel namin na parang at least meron ng normality yung buhay namin ulit. Very, very happy about it. And before ko makalimutan, guys, i-share natin yung ating positive quote of the day. And it is... You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. At magsha-shoutout lang tayo ngayon, guys. The first shoutout goes to Ivy Haushan from Bicol region. Cain Bernales. Shout out to Emelita Menor, Lina Lievares from Valenzuela City, Susing Sales, Chari Salazar, Lisan Bansil, Evert Suta 53, and also to her daughter Maria Micaela Sueta, Irene Petwa. Shout out to Joanne Awano, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Teresita Abaluyan. This vlog was taken a week ago, uploading today, the 18th of November. Happy birthday, Mami Rose! Ayan, ang ating bata ay na-slide, guys. Sabi ko naman kasi, wag mong paglaruan, anak. Siya rin yung na-slide sa kanyang spray-spray. You okay? Come na lang, mama, come. Anyways, guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful, guys. Bye. Mwah.